First of all, I want to thank Dr. Samia Rahil Qazi for arranging such a wonderful event, and I would like to appreciate all of you who have contributed in to organizing this program. Then I would like to congratulate all of you, my sisters in Islam, my hijabi sisters, I may say, and I would like to say Happy Hijab Day. Then I would like to share a story of a sister whose name was Fatima, and her story was that it's a fictitious story. The girl whose name was Fatima, she used to go to masjid every week, and she used to wear hijab. But at the same time, when she used to go to university, she doesn't wear hijab. And then it was a war deep inside her, that should she carry on with hijab at university as well or not. Then one day when she decided to wear hijab in university, from very next day she went to masjid for her lesson, and where the teacher asked whoever is wearing hijab at masjid and not wearing it at university, and then teacher told them that this is a sin, and if any one of you doing this, they will enter into hell. And Fatima tried to ask some questions but was told to keep quiet. Then she decided not to wear hijab at all and will not go to masjid anymore. My question here is to all of you sisters, that who will be responsible for her situation. There are hundreds of Fatimas here and there in whole world. And the same story goes with another sister whose name is Ruqayya, and she was also in the same boat. She used to wear hijab in masjid but not at her university. And then she was not forced, she were not obsessed, and she were told that it's totally her decision to start taking hijab. She was appreciated so many times that she decided to take it, as she has given lesson about teachings and faith. And she was always reminded about the rewards hereafter, even it is a small deed. I must say, appreciating positive behavior leads to positive discipline. And that was the sunnah of our Prophet, peace be upon him. And then I would answer the question that hijab, I think hijab is directly proportional to modesty. And modesty, as you all know, is half of our deen. So if you are modest, so if we do hijab, so we cover that part of our deen. And then whenever I see a girl wearing hijab over pants or tights, I approach her and appreciate her, instead of saying disgustingly that look at her, she's wearing hijab over tights and pants. I must say, oh wow, look at her, even she is wearing tights and pants, even though she is wearing a hijab. What a great idea. But what was the difficulty for me to take hijab was, I was in Pakistan when I applied for medical education. I would not name the college, but when I got admission, they asked me to take off my hijab, that it is not permitted in their classroom to take hijab. Then I rejected to be a doctor, but it was my biggest dream of my life. And then I inquired for another admission where I have applied for, and they said that you are on waiting list. And then I went home, and then after some days they called me and they said that you were in hijab and you came for your inquiry, so we are giving you admission for that. So it was both for me, was it very it was a right sign from the God, that if you have faith, then Allah give you whatever you desire. And then what was the difficulty for me to wear hijab was that one day when I was in changing room and fixing my scarf at my job here in Sweden, my boss came in. She was a lady, and she told me, because I was without hijab in that, it was ladies' room only, and she told me that I look very beautiful without hijab. And I said immediately, it came into my mind that this is the purpose of our hijab, that we decide where we have to go, where we have to show our this beauty, and where we don't need to show this beauty. This is our God who has decided for us, and the boundaries are set for us. So this is the thing I choose, and I learned by the example of Hazrat Shoaib's daughters, that they have asked Hazrat Musa for help, and he was not their mahram. And even though they asked for help, and then when they came to their dad, they explained about Hazrat Musa, that he has helped her in taking water from the well, and how he has behaved. So it is not about your exposure to the society, but it's all about the modesty.